In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n templates. If you want to get started with automation quickly, templates are one of the easiest ways to do it. Instead of building a workflow completely from scratch, you can browse ready-made setups and choose one that matches what you want to create. This saves time and also gives you a helpful starting point, especially if you're still learning how everything is organized inside n8n. To begin, look toward the lower left side of the screen and click on Templates. This section is where n8n collects pre-built workflow ideas and examples that you can reuse. If you're not sure what kind of automation you need yet, this is also a great place to explore because it can help you see what's possible and give you inspiration for your own workflows. Once you're in the Templates section, select a template. You can take a moment here to look through the available options and choose one that fits your goal. The best template for you will usually depend on the app, service, or process you're trying to automate. For example, some templates are designed for notifications, some for data movement, and others for connecting multiple tools together. Picking the right one at the start makes the rest of the setup much easier. After you've found the template you want, click on it. This opens the template so you can view more details. At this stage, it's useful to check what the workflow is designed to do and how it's structured. Even if you plan to customize it later, opening the template gives you a clearer understanding of what you're importing into your workspace. Next, click on Use for Free. This tells n8n that you want to start with this template in your own environment. From there, the template can be loaded so you can begin editing it, connecting your accounts, and adjusting it to match your specific needs. Templates are meant to be flexible, so don't worry if the setup isn't perfect right away. The main goal is to give you a strong foundation that you can build on, and that's all it takes to use an n8n template. Open the template section, choose the one you want, click into it, and then select Use for Free. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to start building automations with less manual setup and more confidence.